Hi, lovely people. How are you guys doing? Well, it is like almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And again, I can't sleep. So I figured, why not make a video before I take my makeup off? So I am really excited about this. This is a different type of subscription box that I usually don't do. I was contacted by a company called the AthleCrate. AthleCrate, I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is something really different. This is not makeup or beauty related. This is if you are basically, it's like a gym that is brought to you every month. So it's like for workout. So if you are a single mother who has smaller children that cannot go to the gym because you can't find a babysitter, or if you work all the time and you just don't have the time to go to the gym, this will help you out tremendously. So let me give you a little detail what this is. This is the first month that it launched. Let me try that again. Launched in June. And like I said, this was sent to me for review. And just because it was sent to me, you guys know me, I do keep everything real. All right, so there are 3 different versions of this box. I wrote everything down to make sure I didn't get anything wrong. This is, the one that they sent me is called the sampler box or the light box, L-I-T-E. And this will be $39.95 a month. And if you live in the, try it again. You can tell it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And if you live in the USA, the shipping is free. And then you have the premium value box. That's the most popular one, and that is $49.99 a month. And if you use the code in all caps, ACDAY1, so it would be ACDAY1, you can get 10% off. Or you can get the single crate, and that is $65, and that is just a one-time offer. If you just want to get a box for a gift to somebody, you just want to get one box, and that is it to see what it's like, it would be $65. And what this is you get a whole bunch of things that you would need to work out or eat healthy if you don't have time to go to the gym. So let me stop rambling, and let's just open the box, shall we? Like, I do know what everything is in there because I looked everything up for the prices. Because if you are new to my channel, I always look up prices and then we go by seeing, is it worth getting this box because of the price? All right, so when you first open it up, you get this card that says, you know, about the crate and about the use the code for 10% off. Then you get this little card, and I thought this was a card to tell you what everything was and everything, but it doesn't come with that. This just says share a picture of your box on Instagram, and it just says thank you for your order. So I wish it came with a card to tell you what each product is and a little bit about the product and prices, but it doesn't. But like I said, it is the first month. So that's why I looked everything up. All right, so the first thing that we got, and this is what the box looks like when you open it up. So the first thing you got is from Double Under Wander, and this is a really nice bag, and you can close this up, and you have one of these little things. And so you open it up, and this is what you call a speed jump rope. And when I looked up the company, it's www.doubleunderwander.com. And if you use the code custom rope, you get $5 off. And this could be all custom. So you can exchange these and custom the handles. And it can go by the size and everything, which I like that. You can also make this longer or, you know, shorter depending on your height. And it is one of them, you know, you ever see people exercise and they do it really fast and they crisscross and all that kind of stuff. This, I'll tell you what, this little jump rope, you can burn a lot of calories off of that. Now, unfortunately, because I was in a car accident a few years ago, I do have neck and a spine a problem, a lot of my discs. So I can't do anything that jumps ropes. But because my son plays baseball and is in cross country, he will definitely use this, and he loves this, and he can jump rope like there is no tomorrow. So that is exciting. Also, in some of the boxes I've seen, sometimes you can get mailed dumbbells, you can get mailed that thing, you know, that has, I don't know what it's called. It's like a big weight, and it has one little thing, you know. All different things you can get, so which is nice. Also, when you go on there too, you tell them what size your shirt is, so you might get a shirt 1 month. It's really, really nice. So if I had dumbbells or anything like that I can use, it's just anything with jumping because of my disc. I can't do. But this is a really, really nice. Oh, let me tell you the price. So this is $19.99. Okay. The next thing we got is a pair of socks from Stride Line, and they custom this with and has their logo on it. And this is $13 for one pair. And let's see, let me open it up and show you what it looks like. And these are great for working out. These are like the crew socks, you see, like that. And what I like about here is, you know, the way that it stretches to your feet so it doesn't crumple up, and it's supposed to help you like with like sweating and stuff. I don't know. But like I said, and you can custom make these as well. And these are $13 for one pair. So 13 and 20 right there is, you know, we're getting there. All right, the next thing I was like, when I opened this box, I'm like, oh my God, something smells good. So this is a hand and body soap in the scent lavender. It is from Jennifer's Homemade Soap, because, you know, when you work out, you gotta smell good, and lavender is good for, you know, to help you relax and all that other stuff. My God, it smells good. And this is $7. All right, this, I have one of these, and this is so cool. This is from Cages. This is the Way Too Cool Sports Towel. And let me explain what this is. This would be, well, the regular price is $29.97, but right now it's on sale for $8.97. And what this is, I will open it up and show you, because we all have one. Like I said, my son, if I can, my son plays baseball, and so when it gets really hot, and I don't know, I don't have my scissors around, but what this is you wet it, you put it in cold water, you know, and then you kind of like wring it out, and it stays very cold, and you would put it over your neck to keep your neck cold, and it works so amazingly. We have a few of these, not by this brand, but and they also, in this brand, they also make them for your dogs and stuff. So like if you have like a German Shepherd or anything, or if your dog's outside a lot, they're a couple dollars more, but you know, they keep them nice and cool and stuff if you want to take your dog for a walk or whatever. But these work so well. This will be great if you're exercising, or if you're taking a walk and you sweat a lot like Mawa. It is great. Or like I said, if your kid plays sports, for them or for yourself. Really, really good. I am so happy I got this. Like I said, it was on sale for $8.97. All right, a couple more things we got. So then we got one of these teas from someofusdrinktea.com, and this is the perfect day one. They have a few other ones that you can choose from, and it's all natural stuff. Here are the ingredients right here. Okay, and for this sample size, it is $3.95, but you can also get like the full size if you would like. But I like the fact that they have little sample sizes and all different ones, and this is the perfect day one, but they have a spa day one, so I'm really excited to try this. And last but not least, we got 2 bars from RX Bar, and I don't know how you would pronounce that, but that is the brand. So we got, this is 12 grams of protein, and we got mint chocolate and apple cinnamon. And these are $2. Ooh, just knocked my earring out. $2.16. So for 2 of them, it is $4.32. And I did my little math, because for, I think, a pack of 20, I think 12, they were like $25, I believe, if I'm right. So I did a little math, so that I just estimated to that. So in this box, like I said, this was the sample box. We got 2 bars, we got this tea, we got this, which is really, really cool. We got some, oh my God, the soap smells so amazing. We got a pair of socks that are really, really good. And we got the speed jump rope. So if you add everything up, now, if you take this and don't take the sale price off and have it for $29.97, everything will come to $78.23, the value. But I would take that $29 off, because like I said, it is on sale for $8.97. So the box comes to $57.23. And you pay $39.95 for this box. So you're getting almost about $20 extra. So do I think that this is worth it? Well, if we talk about beauty boxes, we're used to getting double and triple the value. This is something totally different. Yes, I definitely think it's worth $39 because you get more and above and beyond what you pay for. This is worth it for somebody like me that I just can't go to the gym because I have so much going on. I take care of my mom and grandma that are on hospice. I have kids. My daughters are graduating. I have a husband. You know, there's just a lot to do that I just right now don't have time to go to the gym. So something like this that comes every month would be nice, except for like I can't do certain things like the jump rope depending on what they sent me. Now, another argument is, well, why spend that when you can go to the store and just buy things that you need? You can do that too. But if you are the type that likes subscription boxes and like that part of a mystery that you don't know what you're going to get every month, this is the box for you. I really do. I really love the concept. I think it's a great idea. I like the fact that they even put like little nutrition bars in it, you know, like everything. And I think if you have it for a couple months, you'll get different things, different workout equipment, and then, you know, you can kind of build your stash up. Like I said, this is a sampler box, so I don't know what's in the premier box, like the most popular one that's $50, $49.95. And like I said, if you use that code ACDAY1, you will get 10% off. And because this is the first month, there was no reviews that I could look up to see what other people got. And like I said, then you can get the single crate for $65, and that was the one-time deal where you don't have to do it. So, I don't know. It's up to, what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys think it's worth it? Would you ever think about getting it? I think it's a great concept, me personally. Would I purchase this every month? I don't know because I get a lot of subscription boxes. But this is something that's making me like double think. I will see what they have for next month's box, and I will go from there because I really do like this concept that it's like a bring home to you gym. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. And guys, until my next video. Bye.